Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text bold and italic on your PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor and select this home option, this menu bar. Now click on this edit down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box and all text box now selected and click on this format option. And this is bold option, click here and this text now bold. Also make this text bold, italics, and similarly you can apply bold and italic font at once and see this. Also this text font size is this and see this. In this we can make our text bold, italic, and bold and italic both apply. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.